Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and apps you use to manage your life? Ever wished there was one place to keep everything organized, from your tasks and notes to your documents and projects? Well, that's where Notion comes in. But why do people choose Notion over other productivity tools? Let's dive in. Understanding Notion. A versatile tool. Notion is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It's essentially a digital workspace where you can create and organize different types of content. From simple notes and to-do lists to complex databases and project management tools, Notion can handle it all. Key features and benefits. Flexibility and customization. One of the biggest draws of Notion is its flexibility. You can customize the interface to suit your specific needs, whether you're a writer, a designer, or a student. Database functionality. Notion's database feature is a game changer. You can create custom databases to track anything from your book collection to your project tasks. With filters and sorting options, you can easily find the information you need. Collaboration and teamwork. If you work with a team, Notion is a great tool for collaboration. You can share databases and pages with others, and even assign tasks and track progress. Integration with other tools. Notion integrates seamlessly with other popular tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This makes it easy to import and export content and to connect Notion to your existing workflow. Common use cases. Personal organization. Many people use Notion to organize their personal lives, from managing their schedules and tasks to tracking their finances and habits. Project management. Teams of all sizes use Notion for project management. From planning and tracking tasks to collaborating with team members, Notion can streamline the entire process. Knowledge management. Notion is a great tool for knowledge management. You can create databases to store and organize information, and even link different pages together to create a knowledge graph. Note-taking. Notion is a powerful note-taking tool. You can create notes, organize them into different notebooks, and even add attachments and links. Why choose Notion over other tools? There are many productivity tools on the market, so why choose Notion? Here are a few reasons. Versatility. Notion is a truly versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes. Customization. You can customize Notion to suit your specific needs, making it a highly personalized tool. Collaboration. Notion is a great tool for collaboration, making it ideal for teams and projects. Integration. Notion integrates seamlessly with other popular tools, making it easy to use within your existing workflow. Tips and tricks for getting started with Notion. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Start by creating a few simple databases or pages and gradually add more complexity as you get comfortable with the tool. Experiment with templates. Notion offers a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point. These templates can help you get started quickly and see how Notion can be used for different purposes. Utilize the community. There is a large and active Notion community online. You can find tutorials, tips, and inspiration from other users. Notion is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you organize your life and work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to be more productive, Notion has something to offer. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit you? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.